Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here, the Gartstary pool cushion for the winter time. This is an XXL pack of 6 120 to 120 centimeter air cushion pool with a double stitching pool cover cushion for wintertime with a Boston dual inflation valve. And it comes in a green finish. You can also get a one piece on it, 200 to 450 centimeter. This is possible too, because then you have one big pillow, or you get six a little bit smaller pillows, but 120 to 120 is big enough, I think. 6 winter pool cushions included 24 ropes, 24 repair patches, self-adhesive, and a 1 instruction manual. These inflatable winter cover pool cushions are suitable for pools of all shapes and provides a safe protection at the winter time. The 6 pool cushions can be connected to form a sturdy unit, thus making them ideal for larger pools. And reliable winter protection for a pool, of course. These inflatable pool cushions lift the tarpaulin easily, prevents the formation of ice or water accumulation. Thus extended the life of our winter cover, of course. The ideal effectively getting our pool throughout the cold seasons. And we have durable materials for extreme temperature. It's made from 0.4 mm thick cord resistant PVC. The reinforced double stitching minimizes the risk of air loss and can withstand temperature as lower than -10 degrees Celsius. Each set contains an emergency repair kit, so that our pool air cushion remains reliable all winter long. And we have an easy inflate thanks to the Boston valve. Each air cushion is equipped with a high durable quality double valve that allows a quick inflation and ensures a tight seal. We should use an electric air pump or compressed air for even more comfort. It is recommended that the tire pressure between 70 and 90%, of course, because the temperature will go up and down while the winter time is going on and going away. And if it is really cold and you inflate this and it will be warm, it will extend, of course. And so you can get here a better safety thing if you go only until 90% of it. Okay, the temperature fluctuations in the winter can lead to a drop in air pressure. If necessary, we can get that refilled in the winter time, for example. And of course, secure attachment in the wind and weather. Thanks to the sturdy corner eyelets and included the mounting ropes, the air cushion for the pool in the wintertime can be easily and safely fixed. Multiple cushions can be connected together to form a stable unit for larger pools. The flexible silicone eyelets ensures a tear-resistant connection, even in stronger winds. And this is a smart investment for long-lasting water quality. A dirty pool after winter can cause a high cleaning or refilling costs. This pillar here, helps us to keep the water clean and protects our investment for worry-free hibernation. Pool pillows are really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. And you can see it's really easy to inflate them, then to use them. And if the winter time is gone, we can deflate it in, I think, 1 minute. And then it can be stored until the next season will come. Job's done. Easy, huh? Oh yeah. Sun sun.